Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to show you guys this micellar water. This is Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin, and it is a cleansing micellar water, and you can also use this as a makeup remover. So what I like about this is it's 95% natural ingredients, and it's really gentle on skin and doesn't tend to cause breakouts. The charcoal actually is really good at preventing breakouts and to really cleanse and moisturize. So you can use this to remove makeup or just like as a toner or cleanser. You don't even need to rinse it off. I'm going to show you how it works as a makeup remover. So first you shake it to activate the charcoal, because usually it sinks to the bottom. It has this little pump top here, and so you take your cotton pad and you just simply press down on the top, and it sucks up the product into the cloth here. So it's gentle enough to use around your eyes or anywhere else on your face, and you'll see how easily it removes makeup in just a little swipe, and doesn't cause any stinging, any pain, anything like that, and it works really, really well. So you can use this all over your whole face to remove makeup and to cleanse your skin, and overall I think it's a really great product. So I would definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.